Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start with 5 core concepts: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, storage, networking. Understand what each model manages and what you control. Expect shared responsibility and a typical 99.9% uptime SLA from providers. Think about cost drivers like storage in GB and compute in vCPUs. Estimate network egress and internal traffic when designing architecture. Use simple diagrams to map services to applications and data. Keep terminology consistent across teams to reduce confusion and speed decision-making during adoption. Use a 3-step migration. Assess, migrate, optimize with a 30-day pilot. Start with discovery and inventory to classify apps by complexity and risk. Prioritize low-risk apps and set rollback checkpoints every major change. Create automated tests to validate functionality and performance after each move. Test performance targeting under 50 ms latency for user-facing services and accept higher latencies for batch jobs. Document runbooks for cutover and rollback to ensure predictable outcomes and team readiness. Enable auto-scaling with thresholds at about 70% CPU to control costs. Implement monitoring for metrics, logs, and traces to detect issues early. Keep backups for 30 days and validate restores monthly to ensure recoverability. Reduce bills by right-sizing resources and by committing to reserved capacity when usage is steady. Set budget alerts that trigger before monthly thresholds and run a weekly cost review. Create an optimization cadence and assign ownership to drive continuous improvement and predictable cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.